Hey everyone, I'm Tushar Dadlani, founder of Teemyo. Today, I'm excited to share a live demo of the app with you. Before we jump in, we have a waitlist at teemyo.ai for early access. If you resonate with connecting thoughtfully, please sign up. Your support and feedback helps us shape Teemyo. All right, so I'm sharing my screen. Teemyo exists to encourage and support your actions outside of the app in the real world. Specifically, it's built around 3 actions: connect, reflect, and advance. It's about deepening our relationships, taking the time to slow down and reflect, and reconnecting with intention as we advance together. With that, let's walk through the app in relationship to these 3 core actions: connect, reflect, and advance. After the quick onboarding process, you can sync your contact list to quickly add your friends. If you'd rather not, no worries. You can manually add people to your friends list here. Either way, the other person won't be notified that you added them on Teemyo. This is meant to be your personal contact space. Now, the connect action is really the heart of Teemyo. Maybe it's a quick conversation with your neighbor, a deeper dialogue with a friend, discussing a project with your colleague, or FaceTiming with family in another country. Each of those interactions matter, and you can add those contacts to your friends list to save your reflections and nurture those connections. So let's say you talked with your partner before heading to work, and you also had an in-depth conversation with a colleague about a project. You're on lunch, and now's a great time to take a pause and reflect on those interactions and record a quick voice memo. Let's start with your partner. You've already added them to your friends list, so you can just find their name and hit record. Talked about our upcoming trip to Japan in December. Before we left for work, she found a good deal for the flight and hotel. I need to follow up about those concert tickets. We find out about the raffle results on October 25th. Give it a second and your voice memo appears. Teemyo's intelligence automatically pulls out 3 key themes and a suggested next step. Now, let's do the same for your colleague. This time, adding them to your list first. Okay, and let's record. We talked about the Teemyo app launch. There are a few pieces of content we need to produce this month. It's busy, but things are really starting to take shape. I really trust Anna's ability and insights. She's made a great point about making the user experience as humanistic as possible. I want to do more research on how to make that happen. The other person doesn't see these memos unless you choose to share them. And you can reflect as often as you like. While the interactions are still fresh in your mind, Teemyo helps you preserve them. And the more you reflect and record, the more Teemyo becomes helpful for you. Let's say it's now Friday, and over the week you've recorded a handful of reflections. It's been a long week, so let's head to the home screen and take a moment to refresh. If you forgot what you recorded, no problem. You can just play it back like this. We talked about the Teemyo app launch. Now you can take a small step forward on each of those. You might text your partner, and since your partner's brother is also going to the concert, you can share this memo with him too, like this. With your colleague, maybe you send an email. Of course, these are just simple examples. How you choose to follow up really depends on your relationship with each person. You can even copy the summary of your voice memo and paste it into your favorite LLM or any other tool you like using. This might all seem simple, but just a bit of thoughtfulness, remembering the small details, and taking the initiative can go a long way. I hope this demo helped bring Teemyo to life for you. The core function isn't flashy, and that's intentional, because it's what you do that creates real impact in your family, friendships, community, and society as a whole. In the near future, we'll be rolling out our next core feature, which will let you have and record conversations directly within the app. That way, Teemyo can surface even more insights and memorable moments for you to build on. Again, sign up for our waitlist at teemyo.ai for early access. Your support and feedback helps us shape Teemyo to be more meaningful and useful for you. Thank you.